Alright, so this is the SiRUI Swift P1, the one gimbal that was on Kickstarter, or it was Indiegogo, forgot. Anyways, so this is the gimbal, and I got the P1, so it will actually support DSLRs, not DSLRs, but mirrorless. Lightweight cameras. I think the maximum payload is, it doesn't say on the box. I think it's about 900 and something grams. I think it's less than 1 kg. So I think it would be perfect for my Fuji X-T3. Not sure about that. I'm gonna have to test it. But this is the unboxing video for the Swift P1. I got this just now, actually. It just arrived in Canada, and alright, let's get to it. So this gimbal actually supports mirrorless, action cameras, and also smartphones. I'm not sure if my bundle comes with the smartphone mount, but we'll see, Anyway, so let's have a cut here. They should be able to peel off. Okay. Great. This is awesome. I'm actually really excited for this product because I bought the DJI Ronin S before, and I also had other gimbals like the Zhiyun gimbals. They're all very heavy. Unlike this gimbal though, this gimbal is very lightweight, so I'm very excited to test this, especially when it works with mirrorless cameras. So that's actually my main goal. I went to Iceland without a gimbal, so that is a pity for the trip. The only thing missing from the trip, from my gear, was the gimbal. So anyways, so out of the box there is some sort of suitcase. Okay, so a suitcase. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see it. It's very well made. It's kind of like a synthetic leather. I'm not sure what it is. It's got a bit of dirt on it. So it's not really entirely plastic, I don't think, but it feels like synthetic leather and a mixture of plastic, if you know what I mean. That's what it feels like. And on the back, it's kind of like a rubber plus synthetic leather. Alright, so let's open the gimbal up. And okay. So here we've got, okay, let's look at other things first. That is the stand for the gimbal. So in case if you want to use it on top of a desk for it to be freestanding, this is what you're going to use. It's a mini tripod, essentially. And then we also got, we actually got the smartphone adapter also. So that's very nice of SiRUI to, actually I'm not sure if that's how we pronounce the brand name, but I'm gonna look it up later. I'll make sure I'll pronounce it accurately next time. But for now, I'm just gonna call it SiRUI. It's a Chinese brand, right? Not too sure. Okay. Oh, okay, so you need to unlock it first, and then, okay, so the longer you press the button on the smartphone adapter, the longer it will extend. So this is gonna fit probably those 6.5 inches phone, I think. Alright, so that's it for the smartphone mount. And let's take a look at the gimbal itself. It's tied with a Velcro strap. Okay, there are more Velcro straps here and also here. Alright. Okay. This is a very light gimbal. A very light gimbal. I can see how, okay, so there is a micro USB port for charging. It's sad how they're not using. Wait, is that a micro USB port or is that a controller cable thing? Because there's a micro USB port here, which I think this is for charging because the battery is right here, right? So, and then there's also the manual focus knob. We also got the joystick for moving the gimbal around. We got a record button, mode button, on off switch, and also this is I'm not sure if this is the tracking button or not. We also got yeah, we got the 3-axis gimbal. It looks pretty nice. I mean, I'm gonna film some B-rolls, don't worry. And also, for sure, stay tuned for the next video for the review. Okay, so there is also on this side of the suitcase. Let's look at what's inside. So they gave you a Allen wrench, a USB cable, and okay, so we also got the remote cable, I think. Oh, this is for Olympus, and then that's for Panasonic. So they actually gave you a lot of basically they gave you all the cables for all the brands. So we got Fuji film and we also got Sony. So in case if you let's say if you're shooting wedding and your partner forgot to bring her camera, you can lend this gimbal to her using different cables. Let's say if I'm using Fuji, you can give her the Sony cable. But yeah, actually, okay, what's in this box? I'm guessing it's probably microfiber cloth. It's kind of heavy though. Oh, it's actually not microfiber cloth. These are plates for your gimbal to make it more steady, I think. This is the mounting plate. So you're gonna mount this on top of your gimbal and onto your camera, of course. And this will keep it in place. This is the some sort of adjustment. Oh, it's this is actually the action camera thing. Well, I guess this is also the action camera thing then. So this is the only plate you need for your DSLR. Okay, so I'm gonna test this gimbal on a X-T3 and let's see how it performs. I am pretty confident that this gimbal will be able to handle a X-T3 without the battery grip. So stay tuned for the video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and also give it a like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below for any questions you have. I'm gonna try to address all the questions for the next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.